guys! Good morning! So ngayon, winter na dito sa Canada, pero kung makikita mo, papansin niya sa paligid maaraw. So sabi sa forecast, ito daw yung last day na magkakaroon ng magandang weather dito sa St. John's for the winter time. So ngayon, papunta kaming food bank. So later on, makikita nyo kung ano mga makukuha namin sa food bank. Ang food bank dito sa Canada is a bank of foods which are free as long as meron kang dito sa St. John's, meron kang tinatawag na MCP, yun yung tinatawag naming health card ID dito. So once a month pwede kang pumunta, or twice a month pwede kang pumunta to get a free foods from a food bank. So later on, let's see kung anong mga makukuha natin, kung may mga magaganda tayong makukuha ngayon. And so yeah, see you later. So eto, nakabalik na po kami from food bank at ipapakita po namin sa inyo kung ano po yung mga nakuha namin ngayon. Ang food bank po dito, ang schedule nila sa St. John's is every Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, I think. For Tuesday, it's 12:30 to 3 p.m. For Wednesday, it's 9 to 12. Hindi ko lang sure yung sa Thursday. Pero, every month sa food bank, pwede kayong pumunta twice a week. And yung amount ng food na ibibigay nila sa inyo is hindi ganun karami. Pero, pag once a month kayo pumunta sa food bank, medyo marami po yung binibigay nila. At swertehan lang din po kung ano yung mga laman ng food bank. Depende po kung ano yung mga na-donate sa food banks dito sa Canada or sa St. John's, specifically dito sa amin. So actually, maraming branches ng food bank dito sa St. John's. So yung pinupuntahan po namin is yun po kasi yung malapit sa amin. So pwede rin po kayong makakuha ng vouchers sa mga food banks, clothing vouchers sa mga food bank, amounting, it depends on how many people are there in your household. Like for example, dalawa kami ni Ken dito. So yung last time na nakuha kong voucher is $75 amount of clothing vouchers na pwede lang namin i-avail sa thrift store dito sa St. John's, which is yung The Salvation Army thrift store. Marami-rami na rin siya, and every 6 months pwede ka ulit makakuha ng vouchers. So for now, ang ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung mga nakuha ko sa food bank. So first, meron akong napili. Actually, maraming bread, maraming pastries na nandoon. Ang daming pagpipilian. Nakaka-overwhelm. Kaya, ito na lang ang nakuha ko. It's a French baguette, I think. And then, kumuha rin ako ng chocolate muffins. Double chocolate muffins. Meron din silang binigay na whole grains loaf bread. Meron silang binigay na cereals. Apple cinnamon flax, I think ano to, anong tawag doon? Energy bar?
Granola bar.
Or granola bar. Meron din tayo ditong rotini. Pwedeng pang sopas. So, nagugutom na ako ngayon ng sopas, naiisip ko pala. Meron po tayo ditong anong tawag dito? Instant mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
We also have here milk chocolate bars or biscuits. Binigyan tayo dito ng sliced peaches, tomato sauce, skim milk. What is this? Oh, it's a Heinz pasta shapes in sauce. We have tomato soup, corn, another corn. What is this one?
Corn.
We also have mushroom soups. Mac and cheese. No, it's pork and beans. Pork and beans. Mushrooms. We have here peanut butter. A sugar.
Yeah. Last one.
What is this? I think this one is bell peppers. Pag nasa food bank ka pala, at first, tinatanong ka muna kung coffee or tea. Hindi ibig sabihin nun, inaalok ka nila ng coffee and tea on that time. But they are asking you, which do you prefer na ibibigay nila sa inyo, coffee or tea? So, we prefer coffee because si Ken ay nagkakape. And they also asked me, not only me, but everyone who's going there, they are asking if you are eating pork, because if not, they will give you other type of meat like chicken or beef, whichever is available on that day. So yeah, they gave us 5 bell peppers. They gave us a lot of soy sauce. Soy sauce. Meron din silang binigay na Ritz biscuit. And a huge basket of grapes. Coffee. Mushrooms. And they gave us this one. Stuffed bell peppers. So, ito, parang ready to eat na lang siya. Ima-microwave mo na lang or oven. They gave us apple juice. Another bread. So, they gave us 2 breads. And a last is, what's this?
Spinach.
No, it's not
Spring
spinach.
mix. Sabi naman.
Oh, it's a spring mix, green leafy for salads. So, meron siyang baby lettuce, may baby crucifers, may baby chard, baby spinach, radicchio, endives, and different kind of green leafy for your salads. So, that's it. Yan ang binigay nila sa amin for this month, January. Kung may family ka, tinatanong nila kung may baby or what, kasi sometimes may diapers na available, may milk na available, they will also give you like that. And sometimes, pag may mga toddlers or medyo, basta may children's ka, may mga binibigay silang mga snacks for children. So, kung sino man or kung ano man ang available on that day or on that month na pupunta ka sa food bank. The very first time we went to food bank, I will just tell you a story. The very first time we went to food bank, sobrang gaganda ng mga binigay sa amin. Like strawberries, a dozen of egg, milk, meat, pork chops for to be exact. So, ang gaganda, chicken. Yun ang mga na-receive namin nung first ever na pumunta kami sa food bank. But this one is also good. So, ang next na gagawin namin dito is to check the expiration dates. And kung anong tawag doon? Isa-sort out namin kung ano yung mga isa-save lang namin, na which is kung ano lang yung gusto namin kainin. the rest is idodonate namin ulit sila sa isang donation box dito. Kasi kesa naman masira, idonate na lang sa baka may mas gustong mag-take nun or may mas gustong in need doon sa mga products na hindi naman namin kakainin kesa masira, diba? So that's it. That's our story for our food bank here in St. John's, Newfoundland and Canada. See you guys on next video. Bye bye.